Hello, this is Sunny. Today we are going to the Beilun government to take the CO we applied. So let's go now. Can you see that tall building? That's the place we are going to visit. This side. Okay, we arrived. This is the, you can see, it's 8 p.m. and all of the nowadays in China, we don't need to take mask on in everywhere. Only when we go to some place like hospital or the government office, we need to take on the mask, and we have the green code to check whether these people was checked safe and can move freely. Now you can see the administrative service center is back side of me, so we will go inside. The working time is from 8:30 to 11:30, so we have to wait. Now it's only now it's 8:14 a.m. in China time. Okay. So now we are inside. Okay, we go to the second floor. This is the lobby, and we'll go to the second floor to take our CO certification. Yeah, we get it. So we are back to office, and then later I will show you the difference between different COs, like certificate of origin and the Form A, Form E. They all have different certification forms. The colors also are different. Hello, this is Sunny, and I'm now at the office. Today we are going to talk about the documents required by some of our customers. The certificate of origin. There are many different types of the CO. Some can help customer get the tax reduction in their country. Commonly, there's CO, Form A, Form E, and others like Form B, Form F, Form N, Form X, and Certificate of Origin China, Pakistan FTA, etc. And today we are going to explain three of very commonly used CO. First of all is the blue one. Blue one is the certificate of origin of People's Republic of China. It's very commonly known as CO for short. And the CO is a general certificate of origin, which can only approve the country of origin of the goods which were produced. And the importing country can decide whether to provide preferential tariffs according to its actual situation. And the second one is this. Second one is the Generalized System of Preferences Certificate of Origin, known as Form A for short. And Form A is a certificate of GSP. Why it is called GSP Certificate of Origin? It turns out that in trade between countries, some agreements similar to most favored nation treatment are often signed, which is a country's commitment to another country. Once the exporting country enjoys the most favored nation treatment of the importing country, the goods exported by the exporting country will enjoy preferential tariffs. And the Form A is used as a certificate of origin for enjoying such kind of preferential tariffs. Okay. Here we have the third type. The ASEAN and China Free Trade Area Preferential Tariff Certificate of Origin. It's very commonly known as Form E. Okay. Form E is a preferential certificate of origin of China and ASEAN Free Trade Area. Okay. We see three different colors of the certificate. But what's the differences between these three different types of certificate of origin? I will explain in three different aspects. First one, the applicable country and region are different. The certificate of origin of People's Republic of China, the CO, can be used in any country. This one, the CO can be used in any country, and Form A can be used in 39 countries like United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy, Netherlands, Belgium, Switzerland, Spain, Portugal, Ireland, Denmark, Greece, Australia, Sweden, Finland, Poland, Hungary, Romania, Russia, Bulgaria, New Zealand, Japan, Australia, Canada, Turkey, etc. And Form E. Form E is China-ASEAN Free Trade Area Preferential Certificate of Origin. Is issued and exported to, can be used exported to Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, and Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam. Total 10 countries. Second, the preferential tariff reduction. CO is only general certificate of origin which can only prove the country of origin of the goods. And the importing country can decide by themselves whether to provide preferential tariffs according to its actual situation. Form A is an unilateral enjoyment of policy preferences. The exporting country enjoys the most favored nation treatment of the importing country. The goods exported by the exporting country will enjoy preferential tariffs. Form E is a mutual implement of the Free Trade Area Agreement tax rate. So the goods can enjoy more preferential tariff treatment of the importing country. The average tax rate cut can reach 5%. So simply speaking, CO has no tax preferential, and Form A is a single tax preferential. That means the export country can enjoy the tax preferential from import country. Form E is double side tax preferential. For all of the certifications, each of the certifications, it has 3 pages. The first page we call it original copy, and the second copy and the third page. And what's the usage of these 3 copies? You can see the original copy, the first page and the second page should be provided to exporter. To the importer for the customs clearance in the importing country. The original and the second copy of the certificate should be provided by the exporter to the importer for customs clearance in the importing country. And the first copy should be kept by the exporting member's visa agency. The third copy will be kept by the exporter. When the customs or importing country have doubt about the certificate they receive, the second copy of the certificate shall be returned to the issuing authority as a need for verification. Okay, that's all for today's That's all for today's explanation of 3 different kind of CO certificate. This is Sunny. If you want to know more things about import and export from China, and you want to learn die casting, machining, and mold making part, the making process, please follow our channel. You will get more useful information in the future. See you next time.